I'm out! So I had to come pick up my mom. She's getting work done on her car because we're taking a trip to New Jersey at the end of this month because my sister's getting married. So she's getting her brakes and stuff done. And it's not that bad outside, so I think we're going to go to the Dollar Tree. I am so stinking excited. This is the first time I've been out in forever.
Yeah, she took a picture of mine too.
Yeah, we're finally out.
Yeah, we're finally out.
We're eating at a real restaurant.
This is amazing.
So, I talked about this in the video where I told you I was going to start doing some different things. I'm going to like a meat market to see if I can't get some grass-fed real. It's not real because you can get real meat from the grocery store. But I think what I'm trying to say is like good for you meat. I don't know. We're going to see if we can make a difference with my girds and all that stuff by getting some meat from a real meat market where the animals are butchered here in the States, not across the seas and shipped back, and they're locally grown right here. Like the cows and the beef and the pork and all that stuff that I'd pick up today is from here, like local. So it's local meat. So we're going to see if that makes a difference with my girds and my digestion and stuff like that. So let's go.
Yes. May I have 4 slices of liver, please?
And then I picked up this because I'm in the springy mood and adorable. And I have so many hanging plants and I'm always in front of this window that I got another piece from another Dollar Tree. I'm going to ask my husband to put
What? Ooh, I can smell it.
Do you hear it sizzling?
Now I do.
Okay, begin to move it. Shake it. You got to do it vigorously. Keep doing it. Don't stop. Don't stop. It'll burn.
Like this?
Yep, keep doing it. Don't stop, Vanna. You got to do it the whole time. It'll burn.
This is scary.
It's not scary.
My arms are getting tired.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Don't stop.
Try not to.
Hurry, I hear it. Pay attention.
Come take over.
All right, turn the heat down.
What?
6.
Holy crap.
All right, turn it back up.
8.
Mm-hmm.
This reminds me of the scene from Riverdale.
Mm-hmm. You happy?
Mm-hmm.
That was cool, huh? That's how we used to make popcorn back in the 1980s. Go eat your old school popcorn. Bye.
Bye.
So, I was talking about being real, right? This is really real. You guys are in bed with me. So, it is Sunday afternoon. My husband's watching the Super Bowl. So, I retreated to my bedroom. I came back here to see about working on some stuff on my desk. My creative mojo is at a minimum right now. So I was like, I'm going to put the bed down and see if I can't lay down for a little bit, because I am so desperate to lay down. I am so sick and tired of sleeping in a recliner. I've been in the recliner since December 27th. I'm desperate to lay in bed. So I've been here for about 15 minutes. I have a little bit of bubbling. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody, but it's like just a little bit of bubbling in my stomach. Nothing's like coming up my throat. But I feel like as long as I'm awake and I'm aware, I'm okay. But it's like as soon as I close my eyes, I get like that burning sensation in my chest. I'm really trying. I really want to lay down. I really want to sleep in my bed. I miss my bed. I miss laying down, stretching. You know, when you lay down, you stretch and you stretch your legs and all that. You can't do none of that in a recliner. I'm just so sick and tired of sleeping in the recliner. So this is how I'm spending my Sunday afternoon. I'm going to get up here very shortly and put my family's big Sunday dinner on. I'm going to have some too. I'm going to try to have some. We're having ham loaf and like mashed potatoes and homemade noodles and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to get up very shortly to put the ham loaf on in the oven. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to lay here, but I'm really trying to push myself to lay here as long as I can. I feel like if I do this every day, maybe in a week or two, I'll be able to like sleep through the night in my bed. That'd be great. Oh, and if we're going to be really honest, okay, it is 3:30 in the afternoon. Girl, oh, didn't mean to flash there. It's just, girl is still in her pajamas. Guys, what I'm telling you, I have like no creative mojo. I am just not feeling it. I am really, really trying to be real with you guys. I have not showered today. Like, I think it's pretty obvious. My skin is so dry. I still have just a little tiny bit of rosacea. It's getting a little bit better or whatever this is. This facial stuff's all new with my stomach issues. And so I'm nappy. I'm literally in bed. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. I am still in my pajamas. I will continue to stay in my pajamas. I will make our family dinner in my pajamas. And I don't care. Tomorrow is a new day. We'll try to get dressed and showered tomorrow. So I'm going to lay here for just a little bit longer. I have a feeling about another 5 or 10 minutes I'm probably going to have to get up. I'm not burning, but I do feel like that blub, 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 like it bubbles. I don't know how to explain it. If you have GERD, you know exactly what I mean, but I'm being really real. Welcome to my bed. So today's reflection comes out of Matthew 15:11. It says, "It is not what goes into the mouth of a man that defiles and dishonors him, but what comes out of the mouth that defiles and dishonors him." So my reflection on that today is, do not murmur and do not complain. Stay in faith, and God rewards faith. So with God rewards faith, if I read a little deeper, Matthew 15:22 to 28 talks of a mother who approached Jesus and was asking Jesus to heal her daughter because she was possessed by a demon and greatly tormented by this demon, to the point where Jesus didn't answer her at first, and it has to do with because She was, I think it says she was let me make sure before I say it, a Canaanite woman, which means she wasn't a Jew. And that's why Jesus didn't answer her at first, because of the laws and things at that time. And she just kept being she just was persistent, to the point where Jesus' own disciples asked him to send her away because she was being so annoying with her persistentness, if you will, that he did finally say, you know, it is not good to take the children's bread and throw it to the pet dogs, which was supposed to be representation of the Jews saw the Canaanites as below them, as like dogs. And she responded back, but yes, Lord, but even the pet dogs eat the crumbs that fall from the master's table. And Jesus was so taken back with her faith that it says, then Jesus answered her, woman, your faith, your personal trust and confidence in my power is great. It will be done for you as you wish. And her daughter was healed at that very moment. So persistent faith, and having persistent faith, God rewards faith. So we're not to murmur and complain, keep our faith strong, have persistent faith, the kind of faith that makes God stand up and pay attention kind of faith. So that is my reflection. That's my reflection this morning. So I'm very happy with my reflection this morning. I love when the word kind of just sets my day. Like, yes, today is the day. We're not going to complain. We're not going to murmur about what's going on. And we're going to stay in great persistent. Persistent is the word. That's the word I'm going to focus on. Persistent faith. So, my spider plant had a baby. Actually, had 2 babies. So I got this one and this one. Ooh, focus. Focus. So I need to pot these, because now I can have 2 little spider babies. I have my big one. My ivy is not doing well, I think, from the heat. My poor plants. But today is looking a little, ugh. It's 10 degrees, but it is blue skies. But it's really cold. Oh man, is it cold. Get down. The story of my life, kid. You're always hungry. Still have the Ralphie wreath up.
And it's 11, so I can make a hymn now.
Yeah, it's a little cold. My God, Dozer.
What?
There's a mini Dozer on the floor. Where did that come from? Underneath the couch. Ew, get it. Before it gets us. Ew, ew, ew. Pick it up with your whole hand. Ew. Ew. This is real life. Okay guys, so for my low carb lunch today, I have a little grass-fed butter in the pan. I'm going to be adding lots and lots of mushrooms. And I'm going to add this bag of snow peas. And then from last night's dinner, I made chicken in my slow cooker, which basically was just chicken seasoned with this roasted garlic and herb seasoning that has no salt. So I'm going to throw the snow peas in with the mushrooms, and I'm going to shred up some of last night's chicken, and I think there's something smeared all over my camera. Hold on, guys. Yeah, and then I'm going to season it with this garlic and herbs, and that is going to be my lunch. I will show it to you when it is done. It is low carb, it is clean, and it is delicious.